Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your storyteller, ready to take you on amazing journeys through different tales. How are you guys? Today's audiobook is Coral Reefs by Charles Sheppard. Let's get started. As I pen Coral Reefs, I embark on an expedition into one of the most vibrant and complex ecosystems on our planet. Through these pages, I seek to immerse you in the world of coral reefs, exploring their dazzling beauty, intricate dynamics, and the profound challenges they face. My goal is to convey not only the scientific intricacies but also the awe and urgency that these marine wonders inspire. I begin by painting a vivid portrait of coral reefs. As the rainforests of the sea, I describe them as dynamic underwater cities, where corals act as the architects and inhabitants form a bustling, interconnected community. The book unfolds with a detailed look at coral biology, where I introduce you to the fascinating symbiotic relationship between corals and the microscopic algae zooxanthellae that live within their tissues. This partnership is essential for the vibrant colors and the energy that corals derive from sunlight. I explain how corals build their calcium carbonate skeletons, creating the complex structures that form the foundation of the reef. As the narrative progresses, I delve into the diverse array of life forms that inhabit coral reefs. From the flamboyant clownfish darting through sea anemones to the majestic sea turtles gliding over the reef's crests, I showcase the remarkable adaptations and behaviors of these species. Each chapter brings to life the intricate interactions within the reef ecosystem, highlighting how predators, prey, and symbiotic relationships contribute to the reef's resilience and productivity. I also explore the geographical diversity of coral reefs, traveling from the Caribbean to the Indo-Pacific, each region with its unique characteristics and challenges. I describe the Great Barrier Reef, a colossal and iconic structure that serves as a vital reference point for understanding reef ecology. Through my observations and research, I convey the sense of scale and complexity of these underwater landscapes, illustrating how they vary from one location to another while maintaining a common thread of ecological function. Central to the book is a thorough examination of the threats that coral reefs face. I tackle the issue of climate change, detailing how rising sea temperatures lead to coral bleaching, a phenomenon that occurs when corals expel their symbiotic algae in response to stress. This loss of algae not only strips corals of their vibrant colors, but also jeopardizes their survival. I describe the consequences of ocean acidification, another byproduct of climate change, which affects the ability of corals to build their calcium carbonate skeletons. Pollution and overfishing are additional stresses that I address with urgency. I document the impact of agricultural runoff, which introduces excess nutrients into the ocean, leading to algal blooms that can smother coral reefs. I also highlight the destructive practices of overfishing, such as blast fishing and cyanide fishing, which not only deplete fish populations but also damage the reef structures themselves. Each chapter reveals how these human activities disrupt the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem, pushing many species toward decline or extinction. Despite these challenges, I present a hopeful outlook on the future of coral reefs. I emphasize the importance of marine protected areas (MPAs) and conservation efforts aimed at preserving and restoring reef ecosystems. Through successful case studies and examples of resilient reef communities, I illustrate that while the threats are significant, concerted conservation efforts can yield positive results. I highlight initiatives that involve local communities, scientific research, and international cooperation as crucial components in the effort to safeguard coral reefs. In the final sections of the book, I reflect on the broader implications of coral reef conservation. I discuss how the health of coral reefs is intricately linked to the well-being of human societies, particularly those that depend on reefs for food, livelihoods, and coastal protection. I urge for a holistic approach to reef conservation, one that integrates ecological, economic, and social dimensions. As I conclude my exploration of coral reefs, I am left with a profound appreciation for their beauty and complexity. Through coral reefs, I aim to foster a deeper understanding of these remarkable ecosystems and inspire action to protect them. The narrative serves as both a celebration of the splendor of coral reefs and a call to action to address the urgent threats they face. The fate of coral reefs is inextricably tied to our own, and it is our responsibility to ensure their preservation for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe the Sonic Library for more audiobooks. I hope this story left you with something to think about. Stay tuned for more new videos.